The topic of this video is how to download Threads and Instagram app. So, let's begin. Get your Instagram account active. If there isn't one, install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android smartphone, then sign up for an account. You must visit the App Store if you have an iPhone. Open the main page of my Instagram account, then open your profile by pressing the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Your profile will be open. Now press the three bars in the upper right corner. The menu will appear with different options like Settings and Privacy, Threads, and Your Activity, Achieve, QR Code, etc. Press the Threads option. It will directly get you to the Play Store, from where you can download it by pressing the Install button. It will take some time. Till then, let me tell you something about the Threads. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram, requiring users to have Instagram and use Threads with the same identity. It is almost done. You can open it from here. See, its color is the same as Instagram. It will take a while to open. Now log in from the Switch account with Instagram. So, finally, you have downloaded the Threads successfully. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.